So I'm meal prepping again, and today, so we got a report that her potassium is high. Oh my goodness, get the phosphorus down, now the potassium is too high. Her vitamin D was kind of low, but they were able to give her some IV for that one. You know, she has the kidney problem and stuff. So today, I'm gonna have to lay off the tomato paste sauce, a lot of fruits that got potassium in it. I did not know that. And so today's gonna be a little different. Also is preparing some meals for my friend, the No Shirt comedian, who's had cancer and he is a diabetic. So I told him I'll make him a couple of meals while I was making hers. So with hers, today's meat's gonna be about this turkey. So I had to shred it up for her and everything. So I made some chicken fajitas and it's shredded up, but I had to create my own sauce because she can't have tomato sauce or nothing tomatoey right now. So I used this marinated mix and I mixed it up a little bit. That's why it looks like it got tomato sauce, but it don't. And so, of course, I used my jasmine rice and cut my peppers and onions. So that's gonna be a meal for her and him, okay? And then have you ever heard, this cabbage, I always get the bitter cabbage, but they told me that she needed to have the Napa cabbage, and that's the one that looks like leaves or something. So I never had that, so I was a little curious how that was gonna taste. But I got it, and I cut it up, and so we made a meal with that, with the cabbage. And also I use stovetop, so I can make it like a dressing light, but I shredded the turkey inside of it and mixed it up and baked it a little bit. So now we have a good little meal here. Got about 2 of those. And of course I made the salmon. He get the whole salmon with the cabbage, and he can have the potatoes. She can't have no potatoes right now. So hers would be, of course, shredded all up with the rice. All good. So them's gonna be the 2 meals, about 3 or 4 meals then, and I made them some salad. They can have salad, and I got the shredded chicken, so they can use that, and should be eating the blueberries, both of them, okay? So I even made some blueberry snacks on the side. It's got the little cookie in there, but in between meals, they should be eating this. And then I got him a sandwich, like lemon pepper, and I use some Chick-fil-A sauce to mix it up with, and it is great up on my croissant bread. So that's gonna be a couple of meals. Okay, I think they're gonna be happy.